Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to start with saying a big thank you to all of you guys for being here today. I know the traffic outside isn't always easy. Maybe there's a lot of emails waiting in your inboxes that are competing for your attention, but you chose to be here with us today, so we really, really appreciate it. At Home Credit, we don't only like to think of ourselves as a financing company, a financial services company. We like to think of ourselves as a friend who says, don't worry, I got you. But instead of spotting you for a coffee, we help you take things home that matter, that make lives better. Our mission is simple. Can we make our customers' lives more comfortable, make it more convenient, and helping them grow in life? And if you can do that while putting a smile on your face, we feel very proud about that, and that makes us very happy. So today, we'll share some numbers with you. We'll talk a little bit about our products. But more than that, the most important thing there really is, this isn't just about the numbers, just about the products. It's really about the stories behind those numbers. And I think, as my colleague Sheila mentioned, it's also about the dreams that are realized together with our customers. So let me share some of our story today. So our story so far, back in October 2013, it's been almost 12 years, time truly flies. We had a humble beginning. We started on our first day in Mega Mall with 33 customers on our first day. We've come as far as now about 12.2 million unique customers served in the Philippines, which is, if you look at it from a household standpoint, almost 1 in every 3rd household in the Philippines has been served by Home Credit. That really, really does warm our heart. But again, we can't serve all our customers without the help of our fantastic partners. So, on first day, again, we had one store that we opened in Mega Mall. Our first device we sold was a Huawei device. And since then, we've gone and been able to partner now with 18,000 stores nationwide. We can proudly say we are available in every nook and corner of the country today, where our customers can go ahead and enjoy our services in 18,000 different stores. But again, all this, would not be possible. We won't be able to serve our customers or actually partner with our partners without a very, very strong team behind it. So we're proudly letting you know, we've gone from just a very few handful of sales associates to our 10,000 frontliners, or I call them my soldiers on front. So 10,000 of them out there. Our sales associates are regular employees, unlike a lot of other companies in the country. They are Home Credit employees, not hired from agencies or contracts and stuff. So very, very proud of that achievement and that story for Home Credit as well. Now, there's a lot of talk sometimes about financial inclusion, and that's what one of our goals has been. But I also believe there's something called tech inclusion. Nobody should be left behind in being able to access the latest, the greatest gadgets to be able to proceed further and move forward in life. I'm not sure everybody knows, 97 million Filipinos today have access to the internet, are online today. They spend about 9 hours a day. On an average, we spend about 9 hours a day on the internet, mostly by mobile phones. So we're very proud to say we're playing a part of that. Every day, we sell 5,000 phones every day at this point in time. That goes up to almost about 2 million phones every year. So again, extremely proud. We're helping more and more Filipinos be online, be aware of what's going around them, and be able to achieve more. We are powering everyday progress, we believe, by keeping millions connected, productive, and future ready. But what phones are our customers buying? 4 or 5 years back, our customers loved Android devices. To the extent that until about 5 years back, we did not even have an iOS app. But our customer behavior is changing. The #1 most loved device by our customers today is the iPhone. Last year, we sold iPhones worth over 10 billion pesos. This year, we are on track. We're tracking right now double of that and hope to easily cross over 20 billion pesos worth of iPhones sold through credit in the Philippines. So our customer behavior is definitely changing and iPhones are getting all the love in the Philippines. Again, we like to believe we're making every day more comfortable and convenience for people at home. I believe TVs are part of that center of that family time that we all love here in the Philippines. So we're also very happy to share with you guys, every day, 1,400 TVs are sold through home credit in the Philippines. So making that family time more enjoyable in the evenings every day, 1,400 homes getting new TV every day through home credit. We also know it gets very, very hot in the summers over here. So we're also very, very happy that every day, more and more homes are getting a little bit of that extra comfort by being able to get more air cons and more houses out there. Every day, 1,100 new homes get a little bit more comfortable because they're able to get a new air con on easy install easy home credit. Refrigerators is another commodity that our customers love. Better food storage is obviously very important. Every day, 700 refrigerators are bought by customers through home credit every day out there. But again, home credit isn't just about the gadgets and appliances anymore. I'm not sure if everybody knows. Philippines is the 5th largest motorcycles market in the world. So last year, after a lot of pressure from our own customers, who requested us again and again that can you please finance motorcycles for us as well, we started to finance motorcycles and e-bikes and stuff. So from the beginning of last year, we also sold about 4.5 billion worth of motorcycles and e-bikes in the Philippines since the beginning of last year as well. So more and more Filipinos are able to become more mobile, less dependent on public transportation. So it's something also that warms our heart and makes us very, very proud. But also, one other benefit that we bring when you purchase through credit isn't just about the purchase you make. We also give you the option to go ahead and avail, optionally, our Home Credit Protect product. What is Home Credit Protect? Home Credit Protect gives you the option to protect your device. It's a big investment you make. We drop our phones sometimes. We might drop them in a swimming pool. We might drop them on the floor. They can get broken. We help our customers protect that investment against accidental damage, against liquid damage, give you an extended warranty. After the manufacturer's warranty, you can get an extended warranty for the year. And we are able to do fast door-to-door repair or replacement of your device, and like-for-like replacement if repair or is not possible. What else does Home Credit Protect provide? We're able to protect not just your device, but you as well. We're able to cover you against any accidents. We're able to cover your life as life coverage. We're able to even waive installments in case you fall sick and are unable to work. We're able to provide you cash during your hospitalization so you can take care of yourself during that time. And we also provide unlimited telemedicine. You can not just for yourself, but your entire family, you can do an unlimited consultation. And we provide full borrower and family coverage for that. At value that is, we go back for a second, at a very, very affordable price of as low as about 3 pesos a day. Any one of these benefits today, even just the unlimited online consultation, if you go in the market today, costs more money than that. But we package it all together for as low as 3 pesos a day. You are able to get all these benefits as an optional cover if you would like, along with your purchase of Home Credit. And do our customers benefit from that? Our numbers tell us absolutely yes. Till date, we've been able to repair or replace devices worth 1.75 million pesos. So all these accidental damages that our customers might have had to their device or to their clients, some liquid damages, etc., we are replacing them or repairing them, and those devices would have cost them 1.75 billion pesos if they did not have Home Credit Protect that they chose during the time of purchase. We've also, through the Borrower Protection Program, released and approved claims of 300 million pesos. This is cash given and released to our customers because of certain things they made, because they fell sick, or other benefits that we provide in the Home Credit Protect Program. Well, as low as Queen Pesos today, as I said, Queen Pesos today, literally the same as the cost of our beloved Pandesal morning. So, to summarize, we're extremely thankful for the trust of our 12.2 million customers and counting, increasing every day. Of course, extremely thankful for our collective passion and drive of the 16,000 team, the strong team that we have, and the support of our 18,000 partner stores. And of course, I'd like to thank you again, as my colleague Cheryl said, we won't be able to share our story without your help there. So again, thank you so much for helping us take our story out there to our customers in the Philippines. Thank you so much.